Every
Rockefeller Center. Enjoy a delicious bagel and coffee while basking in the shadow of the Rockefeller Towers. The Rockefeller Towers, also known as the Rockefeller Center, is a complex of 19 commercial buildings covering 22 acres in Midtown Manhattan. They were built between 1930 and 1939. It was the brainchild of John D. Rockefeller Jr., who envisioned a complex. Rockefeller Jr. hired a team of architects, including a man named Raymond Hood, to design the iconic Art Deco buildings that make up the complex. The Rockefeller Center has since become a popular tourist destination. By the way, today we're walking on 50th in between 7th Avenue and Madison Avenue. On the left, there are food carts. Most of these carts are selling halal and Middle Eastern delicious foods with white sauce for $10 or less. Fresh options include a plate with a soda for $9 or a sandwich with a soda for $7 to $8. Very cheap. The halal guys offer an elevated halal food experience with comfortable seatings and larger portion sizes, though their prices may be slightly higher than other halal food carts. So you've just grabbed your halal food, or you have a test coming up tomorrow and you need to study or eat somewhere. Where are you supposed to eat or go? In this fountain, it's a very peaceful atmosphere where you can go and enjoy your food or study. What you're seeing now is Radio City. Radio City is an iconic entertainment venue known for hosting concerts, stage shows, and the famous Rockettes. Radio City first opened in 1932 and has ever since been a very big and famous tourist attraction. By the way, if you're into Radio City, you could order tickets for concerts, shows, and more online. This would save you a lot of time and is much cheaper. And if you're into shopping, they have a lot of stores. All the stores you could possibly want, such as clothing and games, and you could go underground too. They have amazing restaurants and even more stores. You won't ever get enough of these. This is NBC Studios. NBC Studios is a television production facility. The Rainbow Room is a restaurant and event space located on the 65th floor of the studio. And this Rainbow Room has an amazing view, kind of like Top of the Rock. This is Top of the Rock. Top of the Rock is a place where you can go and see the whole entire city skyline. Top of the Rock was made by the same person who made the Rockefeller Center. Top of the Rock was made so that it could be a nice touch to the Rockefeller Center complex. Sometimes, Top of the Rock may be really expensive. So we have some alternative options for you. If you want an amazing observation deck and an iconic building, visit the Empire State Building. And if you're looking for an amazing view with a lot of stores and shops, then you should visit the One World Observatory. Both of them are very cheap and have amazing views. At the end, the choice is always up to you. One of the shops we recommend in the area is the J. Crew clothing shop. They have a broad selection of styles over here, definitely something you should check out if you're in the area. Now we have a fun attraction for you. It's an ice rink in the middle of Manhattan, simply called the Rink at Rockefeller Center. Over there you could, well, go ice skating. They always have nice music on, and there's a lot of people, and you have a lot of flags surrounding you and a lot of buildings, just a beautiful experience. Though we don't recommend you go at the time of filming the video because, let's just say there's no ice in the summer or spring. And we have some more shops for you. Over here you could find one of the only Nintendo shops in the world. Across the street is St. Patrick's Cathedral. It is a church located in New York City, and it is the largest Gothic-style Catholic cathedral in the United States. It is a huge landmark in New York City, and it was opened in 1879. Next up, we have the Lotte New York Palace Hotel. It is neighbors with the St. Patrick's Cathedral, and it is a luxury hotel located in Midtown Manhattan. It has elegant rooms, suites, penthouses, and fine dining event spaces. This hotel basically has everything you could ever wish for. It also has historic architecture over there, and it has the Rockefeller Center near it and 5th Avenue shopping, which we just reviewed. This hotel is such a huge tourist attraction and a go-to place for those visiting New York. With 5 stars on Forbes, we highly recommend whoever is going to New York City to stay at the Palace Hotel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe so you can get more tours, travel guides, and more videos about New York City. The video you see in the center is a recommended video for you. Click on it. You're in for a surprise.